Now, what is the next subtopic we are looking at? We are looking at what? Roadblocks
Roadblocks,
to
obstacle.
storyline. Yes. Now, if when you are trading on, if you are looking at monthly storyline, well, let me do it this way. Okay. Monthly. If we are looking at a storyline under monthly time frame, right? Your obstacle will be weekly time frame. Obstacle simply means where price will get to and you might see a retracement or a rejection. So if you're having a monthly storyline, it's possible that when price gets to a weekly time frame, sometimes even daily, but when price gets to a weekly time frame, you might see some reaction there that will begin to resist price. For instance, for example, we had ourselves a monthly storyline that started in October. This is a monthly storyline, very sweet monthly storyline, because we had ourselves a monthly reject monthly, this monthly rejection on a monthly support level. So this monthly reject monthly. And that monthly reject monthly now gave us a weekly breakout. This is a weekly breakout that happened in the month of, you see, this is a high that caused the push into the monthly level and price has broken through it. So this is a breakout, right? Can you see it? This is a breakout. The resistance level that caused the push down, price has broken above it. So we have monthly reject monthly giving us a weekly breakout. So that's a monthly storyline that has been confirmed to happen. But where will price now react from? Any level now that is a weekly level, a weekly resistance level can act as an obstacle to that storyline. That's why we are looking for sales from, we will look for sales from this fresh, this daily open and close level here, which is where that 1 hour level is inside if you refine it, right? So this weekly resistance will act as a roadblock or obstacle to the monthly bullish storyline. So when price gets to this weekly level, if we see confirmation, we can sell, even though monthly is bullish. But if the weekly and the daily here give us, if the weekly here give us a rejection and a breakout, if we have a weekly reject weekly here, daily breakout, we can keep selling. So monthly is bullish, but weekly can be bearish because of this support level that is acting as what? A roadblock to the monthly bullish storyline. Do we understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now let's give an example. So if you have a monthly, if you have a weekly storyline, what would be the obstacle? Daily, true or false?
True.
So now we had, last 2 weeks ago, we had a weekly, a storyline, bullish storyline that has not yet completed on the weekly. We have ourselves a weekly reject weekly, which started from a weekly support here, rather here. We had ourselves weekly reject weekly, which gave a daily breakout. Price is still entering the daily. Now, let me say something. A weekly storyline doesn't mean the storyline will complete with the same within 1 week. It can take several weeks for a weekly storyline to complete. Okay. So even though we had a weekly reject weekly, price came back there last week. But so now any daily level that we encounter here as we are going up can be an obstacle to the what? To the weekly bullish storyline. So what are the daily levels to identify as we are going up? The fresh daily levels that we have. Now there's nothing fresh again here because this one has been tested. This one too has been tested. So the nearest fresh daily level that we have is this place. So weekly storyline is bullish, and the daily support here we act as an obstacle, a roadblock to it. So when price gets to this daily level, we might see some rejection and some retracement from there, like that, like that. So that is how storyline operates. And if we have a daily storyline, the obstacle to a daily storyline is 4-hour time frame. That is why if you are taking trades on daily, you must always take your profit on 4 hours. Because if you don't take it, price might retrace and all your profits will be gone most times. For instance, if you took this buy here that day, this was as a result of daily reject daily, as we explained earlier, that gave us a H4 left shoulder here. And price retested to buy at the H4 left shoulder, and price bought. Where did it stop? Stop at the 4-hour level here. So 4-hour resistance, will act as a roadblock to daily bullish storyline. Do you understand? So this is a 4-hour resistance acting as what? A roadblock to the daily bullish storyline. So the moment you saw that price got to this H4, it rejected and it sold, right? So that is what we talk about roadblocks and obstacles. So roadblock is just one time frame lower than the time frame of the storyline. So if you have a monthly storyline, the roadblock will be what? On weekly. If it's a monthly bullish storyline, your roadblock will be what? Weekly resistance level. If it's a monthly bearish storyline, your roadblock will be what? Weekly support level. Are we together?
Yeah.
If your storyline is a daily bullish storyline, your roadblock will be what? 4-hour resistance level. If your storyline is a daily bearish storyline, your obstacle will be what? 4-hour support level. So it's as simple as that. And let us get that, right? Let's proceed. So that already answers the question of exit. I'm not going to teach us entries today. I'll teach it when I'm teaching on liquidity. But whenever you are exiting your trade as an intraday trader, if you are trading daily, your exit point should be on 4-hour time frame. So at any 4-hour, if price is buying from a daily level, any 4-hour level can reject price, and price can change direction from there temporarily. So when you get to 4-hour levels, always look to take your profit, because those 4-hour levels might act as a roadblock to the daily storyline that you are operating in for that particular day. Are we together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So